anywhere. You're going to LA.
I'm going to LA with a couple of my girlfriends from school. I just graduated, so we decided to take a little girls trip. We're kind of pushing it on time, not gonna lie. It's 8:31 right now and we board at 9 and I haven't even gone through security yet. So fingers crossed it's not super packed and busy. I'm so excited! Just checked my bags, about to go through security. Hello!
You literally just scared me.
Hi, Caroline. I haven't seen you forever.
Right.
Like you little fright.
This girl, are we matching?
Hey guys, we are literally taking off as we speak.
I'm gonna throw up. Do you hear that? That shouldn't sound like that. I'm scared. We are 20 minutes away. Yes. Look how stunning. Can you see it?
Can you see?
Do you see the mountains? What a concept.
We're in Palm Springs right now.
Hey. Where are we?
California. I don't know where. Burbank, thank you.
We ran into Lexi. We're at this place called, what's it called?
Little Flower.
We just got pastries and
I got
coffee.
a chai latte, of course. Classic order, yes.
Yummy. I got a matcha.
Is it garlic?
But I told them to add lavender in it, so hopefully it's really good. I'm excited.
To the right a little bit more, please.
To the right?
A little bit more north, please.
Oh. Hi guys, I'm Emmy. Hello, I'm her little sister. Not so little though.
Lexi wants to show you her money in a stack.
Get her money up, not her funny up.
Get your money up, not your funny up.
Money up.
Guys, want to see?
Did we total it?
A lot. All once.
So yeah, we're getting lunch right now.
We're going to Trader Joe's.
Gracie's grandma has the cutest house ever.
Literally.
And they're being so kind and letting us stay there before we go to the lake. This is today's lunch. I'm so excited to eat this.
Hey guys, we just got a huge Trader Joe's haul. Like, get ready for the haul.
We got some sweets, some goods, some healthies.
Yeah, thank you. Shout out to Katie.
Shout out to Katie.
You gotta get the meatless.
Yeah, vegan
Meatless
meatballs.
meat.
I really hope this tastes good.
Ooh. Yeah, we got the vegan mac. It looks a little funk.
Okay. The girls are getting their food and stuff, but this is where we're eating. So Gracie's grandma's house is literally gorgeous. This camera literally doesn't even do it justice. This is Lexi's. I got the classic Greek salad from Trader Joe's.
Spicy lentil wrap.
Janie, we love you.
Wish you were here, Janie. You're so cute. Thank you for the slime, mamas.
Look at what happened to my pants.
I'm giving your followers some pickle ASMR.
This is probably the best salad I've ever had from Trader Joe's.
This is the best wrap I've ever had.
You like it?
Actually,
Like this is so bro, you're just gonna leave that posted up there.
Emmy literally spilled the sauce all over her phone.
It's okay, guys.
That was unreal.
I'm having a tuna sandwich. It smells. I know it sounds gross, but and then I'm having Cobb salad and lemonade. Also,
Hi guys, we're going to the Grove right now.
my shirt is from Brandy. My shorts are from Target. My shoes are Nike Blazers. My necklace is from Target, and my glasses are from I don't even know.
Dark chocolate almond
Oh,
butter.
you guys watch TikTok.
What is it?
And you know who Bria Lem is. She told me to eat these. I don't like them. So
You don't?
no, try one.
Oh my god, I need you to try these.
Mmm. It's pretty good.
You're supposed to try it on camera.
No.
Miss Katie, what do you think?
It's delicious. 10 out of 10.
This is my mom.
I can't take this seriously.
You don't like them?
Sesame pizza.
Look at these pastries that we have. I want the almond one tomorrow.
Okay, that's too bad.
Croissant, regular.
I'm gonna eat the almond one right now.
No, stop it.
Leave it.
And then there's Mary's Pizza. Obviously, we're very healthy, in case you could not tell. One day at the office. We're on our way to the Grove, and
Guys.
traffic is really bad.
Guys,
but
we're in LA.
I think we're almost there.
Guys, we're in LA right
8
now.
minutes away.
We're almost in LA.
Shut up. Guys, we made it to the Grove. Ew, what is that? Ew, what is it? Which one should she just spray? Welcome to day two.
Day 2.
For breakfast, I'm eating this big ol' almond croissant. We're on a walk right now. It's beautiful. Guys, Gracie just got the most yummy looking pastry ever. What is it?
It's like a strawberry rose scone. I'm so pumped. I'm excited.
Okay, I'm about to try this kombucha. Crap.
Not the Lulu.
I never drink kombucha though, so let's see if this is good.
Oh yeah, I love this.
And she'll pull up with these too.
Kick but the feeling inside.
Hey guys, this is how to take vitals.
Lexi's actually a doctor. I can see.
Slide this in, okay? Like this. I'm gonna take, vitals are really important for your health. If you need to get your vitals checked, now you have to relax your arm. I'm gonna tell you if you're unhealthy, little.
Ow, it's hurting.
Not good.
Sorry. Okay, we've been in the car for like
A long time.
I don't know how long, maybe like an hour I want to say, but we're in LA now and we're going to the
Santa Monica Pier.
I don't know what I did. Lexi recommended this place called Earth Cafe.
Matcha boba.
It looks so
Matcha
good.
boba. I'm getting that.
Have you looked it up yet?
No, let's look it up.
Like, I think I already did, so it might be
Lexi's sleepy. Look how good she looks today though. She's got a cute gray dress on. Also guys, today's Wordle took me all the tries, but I finally got it. I love Wordle so much. Take it back. I think we're going shopping. Beverly Hills and Rodeo Drive.
Matcha boba slush. I want to get a boba ball.
You like it? That's really good. For lunch, I got a tuna on white, and then I also got a latte, but I'm not sure when that's coming.
Stop. Hey, there's nothing to see here. Check the swag.
I feel like it's not focusing, Mama. I feel like it's not.
I think we already have.
Hello, vlog. Look at what we got. So we just went to Erewhon, which is like this really bougie
Which someone
grocery
complained
store.
because she really wanted to go there, so we ended up going there.
And
Are you guys being rude right now?
and
No.
after we went there, we ended up getting free stuff from the
Valets.
valets.
They have valet.
So we have
parking there.
day 1 sparkling water, lemon, and
This
CBD,
is good.
and protein puffs.
Look,
for free.
it's Huzzah probiotic seltzer.
So here's what I got.
They're so good.
Can't open it with my nails.
Okay, taste test.
I don't hate them. They kind of taste like corn. I don't even know, like corn.
No, they taste like.
Kind of tastes like a cheese ball.
But they have a
But
lot.
like sweet at the beginning.
But it makes them not allergic to it from me.
I didn't even think of that. Oh, wait. Here's what I bought. I bought this.
Watermelon lime vibes. You don't like it?
No, it's good, but it's like
It's good for the body and the mind.
it's 20 milligrams of chill balance.
We're going back to the house now, and I think we're gonna do yoga in the yard, so that should be really fun. I'm excited. And then tonight we're eating at this Italian place, which is my absolute favorite type of food, so I'm very, very hyped.
Let's go! Don't talk to me. My name is Gracie.
We're getting dinner.
We're going to Il Fornaio, which is an Italian spot in downtown Pasadena. I'm so stoked. I'm going to get a giant bowl of penne alla vodka because that's my crack pasta.
about to say I want that. Yes. Okay. God bless America.
Bonnie eats first.
What is that?
Bonnie first.
All right, guys.
You better listen to the rules.
You guys are so cool.
So cool. Breakfast sprouts and Moscato. Mom, you're drinking wine?
I got the penne alla vodka.
I got the same thing as Caroline.
I got pasta. I don't know.
Bolognese, baby.
Currently getting ice cream right now at this place called Salt and Straw. They've got some interesting flavors up there. I'm really excited for this. What are you gonna get? I want mint.
Oh yeah, that's what they said was good.
Do you want mint?
Cute.
What are you gonna get?
Maybe salted malted chocolate chip cookie dough or sea salt with caramel ribbon.
I think I'm gonna get pear and blue cheese.
Can you stop?
You
I
guys,
don't think so, but you can make it
this
work.
is the best ice cream I've ever had in my life. Also, I didn't get mint, which is crazy because I always get mint. So I got cookie dough.
Here, show them this.
This is
The most delicious thing
Yeah.
ever. I don't know what it is. It's
like
like, a
a
strawberry rosé.
Chocolate gooey brownie, it's so bomb.
Alright guys, that's it for part 1 of the California trip. Trust me, there is so much more. This was just the Pasadena, Burbank, LA, and Hollywood vlog. We ended up spending more time at the lake house at Lake Arrowhead, which is literally so fun, and I'm so excited for y'all to see part 2. So if this is your first time watching this video, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment down below what you think. And if you are a longtime ManFam subscriber, comment down your favorite part of today's video and I will like and respond to your comment. So I love you guys so much. Have a great rest of your day and I will see y'all in my next video. Ciao.